Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam needs to be online to update error and other Steam fatal error messages on PC. Even if your internet connection appears to be working, Steam may still fail to connect to its update servers. Follow these methods one by one until the issue is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. If you're seeing the error message, first close Steam completely. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click your network icon. Select Open Network and Internet Settings. Next, click Advanced Network Settings. A new window will open showing your network adapters. Click your active network adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds. Then click it again and select Enable. Once the adapter reconnects to the internet, proceed to the next step. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command: ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to complete the DNS cache reset. Once finished, close Command Prompt. Solution 3. Locate your Steam shortcut. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Steam should now attempt to update itself again. Check if the update completes successfully. Solution 4. If Steam still won't update, completely shut down your computer. Now restart your router or modem. Wait until the router fully reconnects to the internet. Once the internet connection is restored, turn your computer back on and launch Steam again. Solution 5. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection. A wired connection is generally more stable and can help eliminate network interruptions that may prevent Steam from updating. After connecting through Ethernet, launch Steam again and check if the problem is resolved. Solution 6. Another common cause of this error is third-party antivirus or security software. If you have a security program installed, try temporarily disabling it. Keep in mind that disabling your security software may temporarily reduce your protection against threats. Now launch Steam and check whether the update works. If Steam updates successfully after disabling the security software, add Steam to the exception or whitelist section of your antivirus program. This will prevent the issue from occurring again. Launch Steam once more and allow it to check for updates. The update process should now complete successfully. Steam should now be able to connect to its update servers without displaying the Steam needs to be online to update fatal error message.